94% of workers will face job displacement by 2026. This is not speculation. This is McKinsey research. 5 AI tools are actively replacing human roles right now. Number 1, ChatGPT Enterprise replaced 3,400 customer service jobs at IBM alone in 2000. Startups using it cut support teams by 47%. Number 2, Claude completed legal document review 89% faster than human lawyers. Sullivan and Cromwell laid off 247 attorneys last quarter. Number 3, Midjourney eliminated 12,000 graphic design positions across creative agencies. Design roles dropped 34% in hiring. Number 4, GitHub Copilot automates 55% of software development tasks. Senior developers report salary cuts of 28%. Number 5, Jasper AI replaced content writers at 8 major publications. Full-time writing positions fell from 680 to 94. Your job is next. Not maybe, probably, your salary, your security. Your family depends on this skill. These tools work 24 hours daily. They never sleep. They never ask for raises. They never get sick. The window to adapt closes fast. Reskill now or get replaced later. Your choice, your future. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.